Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, in last class we have, everyone please turn on your cameras, every one of you. Everyone should turn on your cameras and make sure that you are joining, you are doing that question whichever I'm going to give you now. Everyone. Everyone should turn on your cameras and I'll be giving you the question now. Everyone just solve that question.
Sir, can you see me?
Yes. I think only Shada Balloon sent me the homework which I asked you guys to do. Many of you didn't do that. Why?
Sir, I have sent in class.
No,
I'll check again.
Hmm. Simple. Look at this. Let me give the question which has been included in universal. Draw a line, segment of length 7 centimeter. Find a point P on it which divides it in the ratio 3:5. This is one question. Everyone immediately should send me in WhatsApp by after drawing that. Okay. And draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameters, each at distance of 7 centimeter from its center. And draw tangents to the circle from these P and Q. Make it fast. Everyone
So
should.
only the figure we have to send, or should we send Like
Look at it. You know,
because
you have to send me the figure as well as justification of that. You know, you need not to send the construction part, how you are, you can write the construction part in your own language, but the justification also you can send me for this. Okay, if you want to write, you can write as well. Make it fast.
Sir, I sent the first one.
Okay, let me check. See, everyone has to send me. So 1 second, I'm pausing it. So
drawing, sir.
what about others? Many of you didn't send. Make it fast. Shut up. How did you take that? That arc actually.
Sir, the radius of the circle 3 centimeters. I opened the compass a bit more so that it can be outside of the circle, just a bit more, like maybe half an inch or
No,
1
no, no.
centimeter.
What is that? What is the radius you took? I mean, like, what is the measure of? There is a radius of 3 centimeter, right? Did you take a more, 4 something like that?
Yes, sir, approximately between 3 and 4.
Hmm. Yeah, you're right. What about others? I know many of you didn't send. What happened? Pratyusha, Prativa, Tanvi, Diksha, Udbhav, Yogesh, Amritaji. What happened? How long will you take? Simple question, right?
Sir, can you see? I'm drawing. Can you
Yeah.
see?
Where you're drawing? Acha, you are showing me.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
writing
Can you zoom it out? Can
the
you please?
steps also.
Can you zoom it out once? I can't see, man, properly. Better you send me in WhatsApp. Send the picture.
Yeah, I'll send it, sir.
Yeah, yeah. See, you let it be. Let it be. Just send me both at a time. Send me both at a time. So don't waste your time. Send me both at a time. Make it fast. Time up, beta. You should not take this much of time actually. Shut up. Can you please justify that? Shut up, are you?
Justify as in write the steps and then send you.
Steps did not write the steps actually. Huh,
Yes,
that
sir.
is, yeah. You can just write. You can write the steps by your own. That's not a big deal actually. Very simple only. Huh. सही है. I'll give one more question to you. Just a minute. If you do with this, then I can give you one more question. Hello? Yeah. Yes.
Sir, first question, can you?
First question.
Can you explain? I'm asking. Drawing.
Yeah. Tushar. Is it Tushar?
No, sir. You.
So it was Yogesh.
Yogesh. Yes, Tushar. Have you done with the Tushar?
No, sir, I'm still trying.
Make it fast. Like, which question you are drawing still?
So the second one.
Okay. The first one you have done with, right?
No, sir, I'm still having doubt.
We'll have a doubt.
Like I have done it, but I'm not sure.
No problem. Yeah. What about others? Amrita? Amrita?
So doing the second question.
Yeah, then why don't you respond?
So,
Yes.
yeah, could you send your mobile number in chat?
Yeah, you have in WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, but then my mother is, she went somewhere. So I have another phone with me. I
Okay,
could
okay.
send you from.
Yes, I send that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sir, can you show the second
Sir,
question again?
Yeah, just a
sir, I'm
minute.
done. I'm sending it to you. Just a minute.
Please. See, you can't, many of you, what they're doing is simply they're taking random lengths. Don't take it like that, just take proper geometry equipments and draw that. All right. You can't draw with random things. Okay, please try to understand that. I'll give one more question here. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. ठीक है, bangle के help से, हाँ, take a point outside.
Sir, I've sent it.
Yes, outside the circle. Okay, now construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle, from this point circle. All right, everyone draw this. And
Sir, I
let
don't have a Bengal with me right now, but I do have a
yeah,
hot spot.
no
wish.
problem. Yes, you can draw it normal. He has given, but you can just go with a normal circle. No problem. He has not given any radius, so take a random circle. Anudip, need not to write all this, no problem, but you have done a great job. Right answer. Correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Look at the first one, everyone. Look at the first one. Somewhere you will get like this. 1 second. Let me write the first one. Look at this. Three is to 5 ratio. So the line segment of 7 centimeter. मैंने एक line segment ले लिया ऐसा कुछ भी A and B. All right. So which is 7 centimeter, right? Find the point P on it, which divides it in the ratio. So this AB, So let me draw AX array, total 5 plus 3, 8 units. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, AX ratio. ठीक है. So this is, let me extend this as well. थोड़ा इसको भी extend कर देते हैं. ठीक है. This is my B. Okay. So 3:5, right? So 3:5 means. So what I have to do here? I drawn.
Sir, I have a question with this type of.
One second. So A1, A1, A2 सब ये equal length होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Equal length. All the equal length. So now I'm joining. Look at this here. The last point and this one. And after that, look at this here. What? 3. 3 means, like, let me just take an angle. Look at we have to draw a parallel line to this B8. Let me draw a parallel line. So you can't draw anywhere. You can draw with third position. But because it is dividing a 3 and 5 ratio, right? 3 and 5 ratio. So we have to draw a parallel line like this. Okay. So, and let me say that is the, let me say this would be point letter P. So which is, look at this now, AP and BP, which is what, 3:5 ratio. This is what your construction. And shut up, you have drawn like this, right? You have taken this 3 here, 5 here, and you join like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The
correct.
reason why I took that is because
Yes, please.
if we draw it this way, let's say I do draw it, okay, 7 centimeters. It's saying in the ratio 3:5, so there has to be exactly 8 points. So how exactly will I know how much the distance between any 2 points?
Your voice is bit breaking. Can you speak loudly?
Basically, I have to do 7 divided by 8, right?
Sorry, I didn't
Sir?
get you. Look at this here. मैंने इसको ये I
How do you
divided.
know how much length?
Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
No. Actually, I just couldn't hear you properly. Your voice was breaking. Yes. Can you please repeat your question again?
Yes, sir. Since there is the line is 7 centimeters, how long should you take A1, A2, A3? I mean, individual.
You can take, look at this, just that, you need not to bother about that actually. उससे कोई लेने देना नहीं है. Like you can take 8 equal parts. इससे the proper length which you have to take is this one. ठीक है? All right.
So you can take A to A1 as 1.
Like 8, like equal units, A to A1. Of course, you will take 1 unit only. A1
Okay,
to
sir.
A2 is 1 unit. Equal units. देखो, A1 should be equal to A1, A2. Here A2, A3 should be equal to, सब बराबर होना चाहिए. A3, A4, and this will be equal to again A4, A5. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is very easy to draw actually. So
Sir, what is the justification for
Sir, I've
no, not
sent you the link.
justification. When you have to do, justification का मतलब देखो, he is asking length of the tangent. कुछ नहीं पूछा, rather, a tangent, like, he's asking for to draw the tangent, so need not to be that. Write the steps. Construction is enough. In last class we have, found the length of the, tangent as well, right? In last class. So for that, for finding that, you
Yes,
can
sir.
just, yeah. Yes. 1 second.
You. Look at this. Of or else you do one thing. I'll show it to you. Equal length मतलब इसको arc होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So look at this here. First and foremost step, let me write like this. Okay, everyone listen to me carefully. Everyone stop writing. Everyone stop writing. Everyone listen to me carefully. I told acute angle is something like that in the first class. Let me, I don't have the geometry box. Otherwise, I would have, told you with a proper thing, but no problem. Look at this. This is AB, right? This is 7 centimeter. Okay. So this is A1. Now look at this. So you take any acute angle. Let me take it. I'm taking acute angle which is less than 90 degrees. Guys, this is 90 degrees. इससे छोटा कौन सा भी ले सकते हो आप. You can take anything less than 90 degrees. All right, acute angle. So I took some acute angle. So look at this here now. So 3 plus 5, 8 divisions I need to make. All right. देखो, here you put your compass. Shut up. Shut up. Are you getting my point? You put your compass here. Just take a equal length. कुछ भी ले लो. Equal length. Draw the arcs like this. 8 arcs. Are you getting my point? Shut up.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Yes.
So from this, I just drawn this again. From this, again drawn this. From this, again I drawn this. From this, again I drawn this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कुछ भी 8 equal. All right. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Every one of you. Hello. Children, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, 8 equal. ठीक है. Name, just name it A1, A2. I just told you to a acute angle. I don't have that compass. Otherwise, like if it is offline means I would have this construction very easily, no problem. First क्या करना है हमको? थोड़ा इसको 7 तो ज्यादा हो गया है. Look, let us take this is B here. Let me join this. ठीक है. All right. So after this
क्या करना है देखो. Okay. Look at this here. I have 3:5 ratio, right? 3:5. 3:5. Now look at this. Let me focus on the 3 here. All right. Let me focus on 3 numerator. So what is 3 here? 3 parts. So let us focus here. Let me point here. Okay. Chalo. Look at this. From this same thing, you just measure the arc here. Just measure the angle. You will be getting somewhere like this. All right, measure the angle. And from this, you measure the angle. You will get something from this. From this, you will get somewhere like this. All right, if you measure the angle. Now look at this. Now look at this here. You took this one, right? From this, you drawn this arc, right? Now carefully listen to me here. Either say, sorry, here. Let me draw this properly. Look at this. I have drawn an arc. So from this, look at this. You take this length. Which length? Either say ये वाला. Take this length. ये जो भी arc है ना, measure this length. How much? Whatever the length. And from this point, again कहाँ से? That's low and second. Either say, wait. I drawn this, right? So the length whichever you have here, this length, right? This length. Just make one more arc here. समझ रहे हैं आपको? Yes or no? See, for cutting this, what I have done, I took this length. I just measured this length, the same length, I just put it out from this and cut this arc. So that, I think someone of you have texted me. 1 second, children. So let me. Can you hear me now properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. I need to connect hard mobile. I mean, like Wi-Fi. Okay. So this is what I have done. Okay. Now look at this. एक मिनट चिल्ड्रन, I'm not able. क्या हो रहा है? So look at this now. I just let me join these 2 points like this. ठीक है? आपको ये जो point मिल रहा है ना इधर, whatever the point you got here, point of intersection. Listen to me carefully here. See, this is what happens if I don't have the compass properly. ठीक है? From here, it's the same length I just drawn the arc here. So the length whichever I had this, I just cut it here. So I just drawn this line. This is my point P here. ठीक है? This is my point P, which divides in the ratio of 3:5. That is how I denote. That's how I just take 3:5 ratio. Hope it is clear. आपको समझ में आया, like properly detailing now.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. These are 3 times and these are 5 times. Okay. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Any doubts? Children? I think who is in waiting list? No one. देखो. You have to find the point P on which divides the ratio in 3:5. You have to find this point P. Look at this. I just found which is in the form, which is dividing in the ratio of 3:5. All right. So you want me to explain this again? If you want me to explain this again, look at this. I'll explain that again. Look at this. I just took, oh, 1 minute. A, B. I just took some, acute angle ray. I just give a AX name. Okay. So equal arcs I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why 8? Why? Because 3 plus 5, totally 8 units have. So 8 equal parts you need to make it out. All right. Yes. देखो. ठीक है? Any doubts? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Look at this. So similar distance you have to make it out here. I just draw similar. This is my point A. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, but the only thing is you have to take proper equal lengths and just draw that perfectly. ठीक है? Next. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. ठीक है? हाँ. This is how I've done. I have just put it out 8 points on that. Look at this. Next, I'll be joining this B and A8. I just done this. All right, I joined this. All right, next. We have to divide in the ratio what? 3:5 ratio, right? from this. Look at this. I took what? 3:5 ratio. So I took 1, 2, 3. So third point I took here. आ रहा है समझ में guys? हाँ. So whatever the line, make sure that whatever the line you have from B to A8, make sure that this line is parallel to the line whichever you draw here. Make sure that this line and this line both should be parallel. That's how you need to get. All right. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are getting line, you know, like this and you are getting like this. ऐसा ये parallel नहीं होता है. ठीक है? ये like, you know, somewhere it cuts here. All right. So it shouldn't be like that. Make sure that both should be parallel. Okay. हाँ. Look at this. Look at this. How can I take? Take it. See how I just make sure that how I need to make sure that